We're back on STL Live, and I'm here with Cindy Pierce of Affinia Healthcare. And I want to pick up where we just left off in the last segment and have you tell me a bit more about Gateway to Better Health.
Well, a key piece of the Affordable Care Act was that the idea was that the states would expand Medicaid to cover adults up to 133% of the federal poverty level, and then those over that amount. And for an individual, that's about $11,770, and for a family of four, it's not quite $24,000. So if your income is less than that, you're not eligible to enroll through the marketplace. By design, it's for patients over 100% of the federal poverty level.
Okay.
So what we were able to do here in St. Louis through the Regional Health Commission and with the assistance of all of the hospitals, the community health centers other than Affinia here in the St. Louis area, and then the St. Louis County Health Department. All of the funds got put together. There are large groups of people that made this work, and we had to get both the State Department of Social Services and the federal government to approve us having this special program for adults who are residents of St. Louis City or St. Louis County who are naturalized citizens or citizens of the United States, and it's a demonstration of what Medicaid would have looked like if it had been expanded to the adult population. So it covers both medical care and dental care for adults 19 to 64, under 100% of the federal poverty level, with very low copays, anywhere from 50 cents to $3, and it also covers their prescriptions, including inhalers and insulin.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Instead of having to pay $20 or any other dollar amount, it's as if they actually have insurance, but it's not insurance.
I want to no, and that's wonderful. I want to take a step back because something when we first met said Affinia Healthcare used to be Grace Hill. I want to make sure we clarify what Affinia Healthcare is. Can you tell us what it is, or for those at home watching?
Well, Affinia is formerly known as Grace Hill Health Centers, and we decided that we were taking a new approach to try to look at the changing healthcare market and to continue to be inspired by the patients that we serve. And so we renamed and rebranded, and that change was effective last April.
And we've got this video. We're going to take a look at it, which sort of introduces. This is Affinia Healthcare.
This is
Let's
Affinia.
take a look at it.
What is Affinia Healthcare? It's a place where highly qualified doctors listen to their patients, where children get the care they need to grow up to be happy and healthy, where women can go to get checkups and preventative care, where high-quality, affordable dental services are provided, and much more. This is who we are. Affinia Healthcare. Inspired by the patients we serve.
And nicely rebranded at that. Well, one more time, let's just briefly go over what's going to take place next Saturday on January 30th. Tell us again about the marketplace enrollment and event that's happening.
Well, next Saturday at our Lemp location, we will have staff available who can assist individuals in enrolling in the marketplace, provide education about the program. If their income is under 100% of the federal poverty level, we can get them signed up with Gateway. If they are qualified for any of the Medicaid programs, we can also then enroll them in the Medicaid programs right there on site.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. This is very important information. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
All right. Well, thank you for joining me on STL Live today. I hope you enjoyed our show. I'd like to thank my guests, Tony Dorfman, Jerry Vogel, Farshid Soltej Shahi, Kelly Childs, and Cindy Pierce for sharing their information with us today. Thanks again for watching STL Live. STL TV wants to be your source for events happening in and around the St. Louis area. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Then make sure you visit our website, stltv.net, where you can watch us streaming live. I'm Sarah Thompson, and have a great day.